Hello friends, welcome to N Universe Double Two. In this video, we will discuss about the types of flow lines. The flow lines are classified as streamline, path line, and streak line. So, firstly, what is a streamline? Streamline is an imaginary line drawn in a flow field such that a tangent drawn at any point on it indicate the direction of velocity vector at that point. Suppose the fluid that is flowing through this path, and these are the fluid particles, and this is the tangential line which is drawn, which gives its velocity and its direction, and these are the streamlines. So I say consider a particle moving along a streamline for very short distance, that is ds, having components dx and dy. dx, dy, dz along the three mutually perpendicular coordinate axes. Let the components of velocity vector v along x, y and z direction be u, small v and small w respectively. These are the velocity vector in x, y and z direction. Let t is the time taken by a fluid particle to move a distance ds along the streamline with velocity v. So from here, t is the time, that is equal to ds upon v, that is the distance upon velocity. So which is same as t equal to dx upon u, that is equal to dy upon v, that is equal to dz upon w. This is in x direction, this is in y direction, this is in z direction. So this equation, this is for streamline in three-dimensional flow. So the differential equation of the streamline may be written as dx upon u equal to dy upon v and dz upon w. Now the properties of streamline. There cannot be any movement of the fluid mass across the streamline, and a streamline neither intersect itself nor two streamlines can cross themselves. So there are some another term that is related to streamline, that is the stream tube. So this is the whole section, that is the stream tube, and these black lines, these are the streamlines. So a stream tube, that is consists of a bundle of individual streamline, much like a communication cable consists of a bundle of fiber optic cables. Since streamlines are everywhere parallel to local velocity, fluid cannot cross a streamline by definitions. Now we take two examples, one is converging section and another is diverging section. In a converging portion of an incompressible flow field, the diameter of stream tube must decrease as the velocity increase in order to conserve the mass. So as we can see, this is the converging portion in which when water is flowing through these streamlines, as the diameter that is reducing, so here the velocity is less and here velocity is more. So this velocity increasing for conserving the mass with respect to time. And this is the diverging section. Likewise, the stream tube diameter increases in diverging portion. Here diameter is less, diameter is more. Here velocity is more and here velocity is less. So as flow de-accelerate or diverge. So in this case, the flow rate that will decrease, in it flow rate that is increase on the basis of the shape of the section. Next line is, that is path line. A path line is a line or path traced by a single fluid particle driving its motion over some time period. So it means to say, suppose any particle that starts its initial position and it cover a path and it goes to its final position, and the path it follow that indicate the path line for a particular fluid particle. Or in other words, we can say a path line is the actual path traveled by an individual fluid particle over some time period. And path lines are the easiest way of flow pattern to understand. So here we try to understand with an example. This is the path line that's like a wave. Waves moving along surface of water in a tank. And as we can see, there are some waves on the oceans also, like this shape. And this is the path line. And this is the initial position of a fluid particle. And this is the final position of a fluid particle. And this is the intermediate position of a fluid particle. So I say fluid particle at t equal to t start. So this is the starting time. And this is the point fluid particle at some intermediate time. This is after some time. And this is fluid particle at t end. So this is the end of the path of a particle. So particle will start from this beginning point and it will goes to its final destination. So now the result is path lines that are elliptical in shape, showing that fluid particles bob up and down and forward and backward. So as we can see, it is bob up, down, forward, backward, but return to their original position upon completion of one wave period. So there is no net forward motion. And you may have experienced something similar while bobbing up and down on ocean waves at the beach. If the velocity field is steady, individual fluid particles follow streamlines. Thus, for steady flow, path lines are identical to streamlines. But if the flow is unsteady, then pattern of streamlines may or may not be remain same at the next instant. And in last the flow lines is that is streak line. So let's try to understand this term, streak line. A streak line is the locus of fluid particle that have passed sequentially through a prescribed point in the flow. In other words, we can say the streak line is a curve or line which gives an instantaneous picture of the location of the fluid particle which has passed through a prescribed point in the flow. So as we can see from this diagram, this is the object, and from this pipe the dye or smoke that comes around through this pipe moving with velocity v. So when it goes out from this point, it will deflect through this point because there is an object in the path of this smoke or dye. So it will divert its path. So while diverting its path, it makes some line, and these are the individual particles, and the line with joining these individual particles, that is known as streak line. And we can say streak line are the most common flow pattern generated in a physical experiment. If you insert a small tube into a flow and introduce a continuous stream of pressure point, say dye in a water flow or smoke in an air flow, the observed pattern that we obtained, that is the streak line. And here we can say if the path is steady, streamline, path line and streak lines are identical. These are similar if flow is steady. So we take the example like here, this is a chimney, this is the mouth of the chimney, and this is the initial position, this is the final position, these are the fluid particles, and this is the direction of flow. And here I can say Mn, this is the path line, Mn, this is the streamline, Mn, this is streak line. So M2N path line, streamline, streak line, this is only possible when it is a steady flow. Consider flow of air from west to east. So this is the flow from west to east, that is moving with velocity v, and flow is steady. So in that case, these lines are identical. But if flow is unsteady, the surrounding velocity field that changes, and due to the change in the surrounding velocity field, we cannot expect the resulting streak line to resemble a streamline or path line at any given instant in time. So from here we can say only in steady flow we can get streamline, path line and streak line that are identical. So friends, in this video we have learned what is the difference between streamline, path line and streak line, and these are the main flow lines. If you like this video, please share with your friends and students. Don't forget to subscribe N Universe 22. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.